The conference room held a tense stillness, broken only by the soft hum of the air conditioner. She fixed her gaze on me, sharp and deliberate, but I kept my eyes trained on the table. Her voice cut through the quiet with practiced precision. "Meet Adam," she said smoothly. "He'll be taking over your role starting today." The audacity of it hit me like a weight pressing into my chest, but I didn't flinch. "Noted," I replied calmly. I glanced at Adam, standing confidently beside her. A man in his early 30s, dark hair slick, suit flawless, the kind of polished perfection that drew attention. The connection between them was obvious. The lingering warmth of her smile, the casual brush of his hand on her back. It spoke volumes without words. I swallowed the heat rising in my chest, a sharp clarity replacing the initial sting of anger. This was no fleeting misunderstanding. This was real. My composure wasn't a mask, it was my shield. The slow creep of betrayal had started long ago. Whispered conversations, unexplained absences, late-night calls she dismissed as work. Her phone vibrated too often. Her eyes softened too quickly when he was mentioned. The first undeniable proof came in the form of a hotel receipt under an unfamiliar name. The reality pressed down on me, deliberate and calculated, and I forced myself to remain patient. She was skilled at evasion, but I was meticulous. I collected every fragment of evidence, emails, call logs, photographs, methodically building the full picture. She believed I was oblivious, unaware of her careful avoidance of his name, of her secretive habits. She underestimated me. A week later, I had everything. Every call, every photo, every secret documented. I found her in our home study, fingers moving swiftly across her laptop. Adam wasn't present, rarely was. I leaned against the doorframe casually, arms crossed. "Shall we talk?" I asked, voice steady. She didn't look up. "What's there to discuss?" she said, dismissive. I let a folder fall onto the desk with a muted thud. Silence thickened the air. "You've been busy," I said calmly. Her eyes flicked to the folder, then back to her screen, but I caught the fleeting panic she couldn't hide. "Not yet. Didn't need her to. Did you think I wouldn't see through it?" I asked, my calm unnerving. Slowly she closed the laptop, deliberate and final. "I didn't think you'd go digging," she admitted. "I always notice," I replied. "Just not the things you expect." I nudged the folder closer. Her hand hovered, trembling slightly, but she didn't touch it. "I know about the hotel," I continued. "The late-night calls, Adam, everything." Her breath hitched. For a moment, her control wavered, but a forced smile replaced it. "You've always been intense, haven't you?" she said, deflecting. I said nothing. The truth had trapped her. She'd expected me to unravel, to shout, to break. But patience had always been my weapon. I turned to leave, then stopped. "One more thing," I said evenly. "Adam's DNA test is back. He's not your son." The words struck with precise force. Her face drained of color, and she said nothing. She didn't need to. I walked away, her silence following me like a shadow. Later, in the empty quiet of our house, the weight of the confrontation lingered. I had acted for myself, not for her, not for Adam. I was no fool, no broken man. I had uncovered the truth, undeniable and raw. No more lies, no more deception. I stepped out, the door clicking behind me, leaving the past behind. I was free, whole, stronger than ever.